Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The CCI's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices inched up as investors waited to see whether a Middle East trip by top US diplomat Antony Blinken will bring a halt to the Gaza war, which has raised concerns about supplies from the major producing region. The US dollar was perched near a 3-month peak, buoyed by elevated Treasury yields on growing expectations that the Federal Reserve is unlikely to cut interest rates aggressively this year. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said that the government's financial risk watchdogs want there to be a minimum level of federal oversight of stablecoin issuers, a system that sets universal compliance standards beyond what states like New York and Texas currently impose.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1530 GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0700 hours GMT. The Portuguese unemployment rate will be released at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.